Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a collage or photo collage on Canvas. So let's dive in. Just go and search for your collage, photo collage. Then you search for it, and Canva is going to bring out some templates that we can customize out for us easily. Yeah, wow, this is so lovely. These are so lovely. Just click on any of these templates and you can customize. And let's customize this photo collage now. I love this one. So let's customize this and download it. Okay, our design is loading. Okay, just click on this. If you want to replace anything here now, just click on this. Okay, click on your gallery. Let's search for image that we're going to use. Let me search Pixabay. Let me use this. Add to page. Oh, this is so lovely. See? This is so lovely. You can also do this. Just try it out and you're going to find it very easy. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment. Once you are done, just click this here and click on download and you can download your design. Thank you guys for watching.